update software on your iPhone to a supported iPhone model in two ways, displayed on the screen. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app and scroll to General and tap on Software Update. Wait for a few seconds until you see an available software update. Then, download and install the new iOS update on your iPhone. Keep your iPhone connected to a stable internet connection, or enable Allow More Data on 5G to download the software update using mobile data or cellular data. Alternatively, you can install a new software update over Mac or PC using Finder and iTunes, respectively. Connect your iPhone to your Mac using a cable and unlock the device. Trust the computer to access it on your computer. Now open Finder and click on the iPhone name on the Finder sidebar. Under the device summary, click on Check for Update and download and install New Update using PC. Keep connected to your iPhone or your Mac or PC. Download software from the internet first, then install it on your iPhone. That's it. If you are getting any errors or have stopped updating your iPhone, then refer to my separate tutorial given in the video description. Like to support me and post your question in the comments below.